Okay, this is the second part. In first part I did 10 of the problems. This is paper 2, math year 9, which is again, since it's paper 2, then calculator is allowed. Okay, problem number 11. It says the diagram shows a semicircle, what they want, with a radius of 12.3 centimeter. Not to scale, calculate the parameter. Okay, parameter composed of diameter in here plus half of the circumference. So the parameter equal the diameter, this one, plus circumference, but over 2, half of it. Okay, diameter equals to what? This is radius, so the diameter equals 2 times, so that will be 24.6. So the diameter 24.6 plus circumference is diameter times pi, that's pi times 24.6, but divide by 2, and that's it. You need to get the final answer. Use your calculator. 12. It takes 5 workers 300, so 300 minutes required from 5 workers to do some job. It says find how many minutes would take 12 workers. So the answer must be less than 300. Here you could see it like that: 5 workers 300, 10 workers 150 minutes, 20 workers 75 minutes, and so on. We are 12 now, we are in here, so my answer, it should be something in here, less than 150, more than 75. How to get that? We need to multiply the 300 by a number less than 1, and less than 1, this comes from 512. Be careful, cross multiplication will make you like get the wrong answer. So in this case, 5 times 3, that's 15, 2 zeros and 12. This, if we get these fine, I think 125. Anyway, you could double check this. And number 13. 2 laptops, A and B, $650, $760. What happened to them? The price of laptop A increased by 12%. Okay, the price of laptop B decreased by 5%. Calculate and find which one has the higher prices after. So first one, what happened to it? Increased by 12. So 650 plus 650 multiplied by 12%, and get this answer. And this one, instead of a plus, minus the same price, and you need, is it by 5%? This is 5%. Be careful, 0, 5. And then you get this number and that number and compare. Number, nothing in here. Number 14. The nth term of a sequence is n squared plus a. A is unknown. The sixth term of the sequence is, given. Okay, find the sum of first 4. First, let's get a. So t sub n, the nth term, equal n squared plus a. And if I substitute 29 in here, n should be 6 squared plus a. And then a, this is 36. So I'll get how much? I'll get minus, how much is a? Minus 7. Yeah. 29 plus a. So 29 minus 36 equal a. So a is minus 7. If a is minus 7, then my formula will be t sub n equal n squared minus 7. If you want to double check, just put 6 in here. Then you'll get 6 squared, 36 minus 7, that's 29. You go back to this. Now substitute for first 4. So for n, we need t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4. How much is that? t1 will be 1 squared minus 7 plus t2 will be 2 squared minus 7 plus t3 will be 3 squared minus 7 and t4 will be 4 squared minus 7. You need to simplify. 1 squared is 1 minus 7, that's minus 6, plus 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 7, how much is that? That's minus 3. And let me move it from here. So this go to minus 6. This is minus 3. And this 9 minus 2, that's positive 2. That's 16 minus 7, that's 9. Put these numbers together and get your answer. 15, let me change this color. 15, it says make what? T the subject. It means solve for T. Okay, how to solve for T? First, get rid of this minus 1. So I'll get W plus 1 equal 2T over 5. Next, get rid of this 5 by cross multiplication. So hit it by this. 5W plus 1 times 5 equals 2T. Okay, and last, get rid of this 2, dividing both sides by 2. So that's T equal 5 over 2W plus 5 over 2. That's it. That was numbers 15. 16. Show that all this crowdy simplify to just 14y. Just expand. So we hit this by this, and by second, and this by that, and this. And watch the sign also. So 4 times 5, that's 20y. 4 times, and then minus. 4 times 9, 4 times 9, how much is that? 36. And y times y, y squared. And then plus. 6 times 6, 36. Y times y, y squared. And then plus minus, that's minus. 6y times 1, that's 6y. Reduce 36 plus 36 minus. And then 6y, 20y. We'll get 14. Is it 14? Yeah, that's 14. That's it. And we go next. A kite. When they want. Given in here some angles. This means they are the same. If they are the same, this angle equal that angle also. That's the definition of the kite. So let me call this piece is y, and this is anything, t. T equal x plus y. T equal x plus y by definition of the kite. What they want? Calculate x. Yeah, find the value of x. No problem. So let's go with the right triangle. So this is 90 and this is 38. Yeah. So 90 plus 38 plus y, all these three should be 180. because we have triangle. Then we get y. You get y. I'm not going to calculate these numbers. So now y is a number. If y is a number, we come next to the kite, all of it. The kite four-sided, it means the sum of all angles is 360. How many we know? We know the top one, 78. We know the lowest one, 38. And then these two, t and x plus y, these are the same. So let me say 2t. All these are 360. Then from this equation, it's easy to get t. 2t equals 360 minus 78 minus 38. And then whatever you get divided by 2, everything by 2 to get rid of this. So now t is a number, but we know t is x plus y. That is a number. Y is a number, then we get x. That's it. And number 18. Rajiv, what he did, sells balloons that are colored red, green, blue, yellow. Okay, a customer come given a balloon, 25%. 25% of them are red. Where's the red? That's the red. That's 25%. Okay, 25%. And then the probability that the customer is given a green one is 5%. What is it? That's 5%. And then a customer is twice likely, it means the probability is double of which color to given a blue. The blue is double probability than the green. Where's the green is 5, so the blue is 10%. Then we know it's yellow. So this is 30%, that's 40%, then this 60%. What they want? Calculate the probability that the balloon is yellow, 60%. That's it. Okay, 19. A bag A contains 56 counters. That's bag A. And then the counters in bag A are shared between Angie and who? And Hassan. So these two guys share this with a ratio of 3 to 5. So that's bag A. The ratio 3 to 5. Angie and Hassan. What else? How many in it? 56. And then there is another bag B, also between Angie and Hassan. But the ratio is different, I think. Where is it? 4 to 3. Okay. And then in total, Angie get 45 counters. Angie total equals to 45. Find the number of counters in total in bag B. Find the number of counters in total. Okay. How to get that? Okay. Oh, let's see who gets the 45. Angie. So let's see how much of this 65 Angie gets. 3 and 5, that's 8. 8 divide 56 divided by that, so we have 7 chunks. Then 7 times 3. Okay, what I'm doing is this: I add these are 8, and then I divide 5, 6, 8. This will give me 7. We have 7 chunks inside that bag. Each chunk with these 7 7 chunks split it to this anyway, so 7 chunk each of this, that Andy has 3 of them, so that's 21. Let me subtract 45, 21. How much left? 24. So Angie has 24 in here. Let's see if the 4, 24, then each 6 times whatever, that's 18. Okay, that's 24 in here. This is a 3. Hassan has a 3. So these 7 times 3, that's 21, 21, 21, 24, 24, and these 24, how many 4s in it? 6. So then we need to multiply 6 times 3, that's 18. So we have here 24 plus 18 in this one. Then that's the total. Okay. I don't know if they ask about this number. Find the number of counters in total in bag B. Yeah, that's B. 24 plus 18. And next. The table gives some information about what? Boys and girls, they jump. Statistics. The mean of what the guys jump is 3 meter point 36, while the girls little bit less, 318. And the range, minimum value difference between max and min, is 1.52, and this is 105. What they want? They want, he put expression, first one, it says the boys has larger mean, which is right, than the girls, and the boy. Mia's teacher tell her that they would like to be. Oh, put in a context, like just avoid these words, the math word. Yeah, this is English. Like you could say the boys jump further, wider than the girls. Like avoid word mean, something like that. Don't know. And 21. Who's this? Gabriella is a music teacher. She wants to know if the kids are whatever. I love that kind of music. And then she went and asked, excuse me, school orchestra, if they love music, why she is biased. Of course biased. Of course biased, because these kids, they love music. She needs to ask like neutral people, like random people, not belong to. It looks like you are as an athlete. Do you like sport? This is bias question. And do we have more? 22. What is that? It says the diagram shows a rectangle ABCD. This one is 12. And this is a midpoint. What they want? EF is calculate the shaded area. Shaded area. In another word, we need to cut this right triangle out. So first calculate the big rectangle. That's 18 times 24, whatever. And then now we need to call this A or small a. So capital A will be this minus small a. Small a equals to what? Hypotenuse is given, and AE, it's a midpoint, which is 24, so that's 12. Or this is Pythagorean theorem. We need this. AF square equals to, let me write it in terms of the hypotenuse. 12.5 square equal 12 square plus AF square. Since calculator is given 12 times 12, this is 144. 12.5, I don't know how much. Use your calculator and get, but this is bigger than 144. Then you will get AF square root it, you get AF. As soon as you get AF, you could consider AF as the height of the triangle. So the area of the triangle, small a, equal 1/2. Base is 12. The height is AF. Just plug this number and put it here. If you get that, subtract it from this. And that's it. Good luck. Let's stop.